Well, when it comes to snowfall, the heaviest snow will occur at least throughout the central UP. Now, looking into tomorrow, there is good news. The snow begins to finally exit, especially more so by the afternoon. And then by the time we get towards Wednesday and beyond, we keep it dry, but then we begin to warm up. And we'll begin to feel that warm up more so by Thursday and well into Friday. We could actually make our way back towards 40 degrees for Friday and Saturday. Now, in the meantime, though, unfortunately, we do have to deal with winter storm warnings. Yes, winter storm warnings pretty much in blue and pretty much covering almost the entire UP. There is a winter weather advisory into Houghton and Keweenaw counties, and that will actually expire at 6 a.m. on Tuesday, where their expected snowfall could be between 1 to 3 inches. Now, in the blue, everyone could at least see between 5 to 8 inches of snowfall. Now, when it comes to the timing of when these advisories, when these warnings expire, quite a different ballgame. Now, in Marquette and Baraga counties, they will actually have this warning in effect until 1 p.m. Tuesday. Over towards the east, into Delta, Alger, and Schoolcraft counties, that will expire actually at 6 a.m. on Tuesday. And then pretty much everyone else from Menominee County all the way towards Ontonagon, they will have expired by midnight tonight. So really rough weather. When we combine those winds and just the falling snowfall, we could see some rates at least up to an inch an hour in some areas. So really be careful out there. And low pressure itself still situated in parts of Iowa with that counterclockwise flow. But this has just been a really nasty winter storm, because even going back to yesterday, we had a big stretch of blizzard warnings all the way from Colorado all the way up into the state of Minnesota. So this snow, at least the snow is beginning to taper off in parts of Kansas and Nebraska, but this still has a way to go before it finally makes its way out of the country. And we are also dealing with severe weather as well in parts of the south as well. So there's actually a bit of components here. And then throughout northern lower Michigan, it's just been a nasty day when it comes to that freezing rain. So pretty much everybody's getting some sort of action. If it's snow, rain, or even freezing rain, really just be careful out there. That is really the main takeaway, especially with these winds now beginning to pick up throughout the day, as well as this low pressure gets closer towards us. Now for tomorrow, in the aftermath of the storm, we will begin to see the dive of that colder air. The good news, though, this is not going to be extreme like we had weeks ago. So that is the good thing. As we have seen throughout this month, we have seen progressively weakening when it comes to that colder air here throughout the lower 48. High pressure and control towards the west, and that high pressure will eventually build in as we head later on into the work week. So once the snowfall finally exits by late tomorrow afternoon, we'll still have some lingering clouds. We'll have a mixture of sunshine as well. And then you can see there's going to be an attempt for another batch of snow coming in as we head towards Thursday. But right now the models are really showing it, because of all the dry air in place, not really going to make an effect when it comes to the ground. For tonight, though, we could have gusts up to 30 miles per hour, sustained winds up to 25. Temperatures are going to be remaining kind of on the standstill, mostly in those upper 20s. And then as we go throughout the day tomorrow, then those temperatures will begin to fall. 19 degrees in Houghton, 24 in Iron Mountain, 22 in Ontonagon, 25 in Manistee, as we deal with that cold northerly wind. And then here are those numbers. Look at that, 28 on Thursday, beautiful out there, 39 on Friday, getting cloudier, though, for the weekend.